and then send a test to Twilio. Here it is. Now, once you've got your SMS through to your phone, all you have to do is go through to this link. Guide app serves you up the instructions of how to add it to your home screen. Add to home screen. And there you go. And that is how you can send a download link from information gathered through Typeform, click through from your website into Twilio, and then to your phone. One thing you might want to be aware of is with the Twilio account, you will have to make sure you have credit in your Twilio account. Sorry, this is something I probably should have inserted before, but you'll just have to top up your balance. You don't need much. Top up your balance, so Twilio will let you send out the SMS. But yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you've got any questions, let me know. Happy to answer or help you build this one out, and hope you find it useful. See you later. Bye.